HP PVC-free durable wallpapers, available in a smooth and suede texture, have a textile scrim backing intended for durable, colorful, and creative wall decorations. Prints produced with latex inks on HP PVC-free wallpapers enable healthier, more sustainable printing and are Type 2 compliant for durability characteristics. These PVC-free wallpapers are a permanent solution meant for walls made of drywall sheetrock and are not intended for temporary use on melamine, gator board, foam core, or other composite boards. For best installation results, we recommend having the following tools on hand: 9-inch roller with a 3/8 inch or 3/4 inch nap, soft plastic smoother or brush smoother, steel putty knife, Olfa rotary cutter, box style cutter, or similar, 9-inch roller frame, non-abrasive soft cellulose sponge, and for added efficiency, drop cloths, buckets, pasting machine, paint trays, plastic bags for booking, and a table. Allow the prints to acclimate under clean, dry, and protected conditions between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit until they adjust to the environment. Examine the prints to ensure the panel sizing is correct, panel numbering is in the correct sequence, print surface is free of all defects, and color matching between panels is acceptable. Inspect the walls to ensure they are smooth, dry, and free of all mold, mildew, grease, or other stains. On new walls, drywall joints should be taped, mudded, and sanded smooth. Remove any nail heads, gouges, and other surface imperfections. Once you are confident that your walls are in the best possible condition, it is time to prime them. We recommend using Roman PRO-935 adhesion-promoting wallpaper primer. Apply 2 coats to the entire surface of the wall using a 9-inch roller with a 3/4 inch nap. Allow it to dry overnight at room temperature. When starting the installation, use a tape measure to mark where your first panel should stop so you can use that as a guideline. For best results, we recommend using Roman PRO-732 extra strength clay-based wall covering adhesive for your pasting solution. Apply a generous amount of the paste directly to the scrim backing of the wallpaper using a 9-inch roller with a 3/4 inch nap. We do not recommend pasting the wall. Booking the wallpaper is recommended to ensure proper wetting of the backing. Fold each end towards the middle, allowing the pasted sides to touch, and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents the paste on the edges from drying out. Pick up the panel from the center, keeping the ends folded in towards the middle, and walk it over to where you plan to hang it. When you are level with the top of the wall, grab the top 2 corners and allow the rest of the panel to drop down into position. Make sure you have at least 1 inch extra at the top for trimming. Using a plastic squeegee, smooth out the wallpaper onto the wall. For best results, start from the top center, go outwards, and work your way down the panel. Cut off any excess by using a straight edge and a razor blade around the ceiling, baseboard, and corners. For cleaning and maintenance of HP PVC-free durable wallpapers, we recommend using a solution of water and mild dishwashing soap with a soft, non-abrasive sponge or cloth. Rub gently onto the surface, then completely rinse the washed area with clean water and wipe dry. For more tips and tricks to installing HP PVC-free durable wallpapers, or to request a sample, contact your HP large format media specialist today.